we are going to make winter special, healthy and nutritious chicken soup, restaurant style. Let's start. Heat 2 teaspoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. We are going to saute it for a while. Add 1 cup of cabbage, half cup of carrots. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup of capsicum, 1 cup of boiled shredded chicken. Saute everything nicely. We are going to saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Then we are going to add chicken stock to it. It is done. Now add chicken stock to it. Mix it and bring it to a boil. For making a soup restaurant style, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, some freshly crushed black pepper, salt to taste. Now we are going to mix everything nicely and bring it to a boil. We are going to add 1 beaten egg for thickening our soup. Mix it and check the consistency of the soup. We are going to add a cornflour slurry to give it a texture of restaurant style. For that we are going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in half cup of water and then add it to our soup. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Our soup is done. Now transfer it to a serving bowl. Our winter special restaurant style chicken soup is ready. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up.